Hello everyone and welcome back to another Weather Guide video. Today we will be talking about Winter Storm Dorothy. So here's the NAM 3-kilometer model. Here's Dorothy right here. So as we click along, you see Dorothy roll through the Rocky Mountains, dumping some powder for the start of skiing season. Then it pulls up a bunch of Gulf moisture and strengthens. Then it moves north and east, gaining more strength, and then right about here is the climax of the storm. You're getting moderate snow and some heavier rain, and that is this storm. Moderate snow, some heavy rain in spots. You could see some heavy snow in spots as well, and then it rolls off into the northeast, where you could see some showers on your snow showers or rain showers on your Thanksgiving Day. Now, let's go to the temperature. So the Rocky Mountains are cold, and then as the storm moves on, you can see a slight plunge in temperature, very slight. And most of the snow that will be occurring occurs at or slightly above freezing, where most of the heavier snow occurs. Next up, winds. This storm has possibility for blizzard conditions right about here. So during your Wednesday, you could see some blizzard conditions, possible, not definite, but there is a possibility of blizzard conditions. And finally, what you've all come to see, snowfall. So you have very low numbers here, and the storm really doesn't drop much until you get to Wisconsin, the UP of Michigan, and into Canada. That's when the snowfall rate increases dramatically, because at 8Z, which is about thinking 2 a.m. Wednesday Central Time, or 3 a.m. Wednesday Eastern Time. Let's just take, 3 a.m. Central, 4 a.m. Is green bit? No. Okay. Let's take right here, the UP of Michigan. At 4 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. East, you have 1/10 of an inch to 1 inch of snow. Ten hours later, you're getting half a foot of snow, maybe. So that's really the highlight of the storm. Quick snowfall rate, a very fast snowfall rate. So it'll be snowing moderately heavy, but at the time that it's occurring, it's also a big factor in the naming of the storm. This is happening the day before and the day of Thanksgiving. So if you're traveling to the UP of Michigan or any of these areas affected by this, then it's going to be a rough Thanksgiving commute, because of also the total accumulated precip going to be fairly high as well. So it's a hiccup in holiday plans. So that is a huge reason why this storm was named. But now we are going to, and this kind of shows up on the 12-kilometer. The next system I'm thinking is a bigger talking point. you have this very strong low pressure that comes on the coast of Northern California. Like, very strong. 976 millibars. That is incredible. That comes on the coast. Then you have weak low pressure crossing the Baja California Peninsula. Then you have another low pressure coming on the coast of California, a weak one. They all combine over the mountains and then move into the plains, draw up moisture, and let's go to the GFS here. We could be seeing a blizzard in the Midwest, and then as the storm continues to move east, we could see a nor'easter in the Northeast. So that's something to watch, and I'll probably make, if this is all going to be happening between, looks like Friday and Tuesday. So if this all comes to fruition and this is going to happen, then I'll probably make a video probably Saturday. Because Friday is mountain snow. Saturday is really when this really picks up. It's coming at a very inconvenient time because of the holiday, but I'll try and make a video on it. Because if this actually happens, this would probably be the blockbuster of at least December. You never know what later in the year will bring, but this is looking like a great winter storm to kick off December. And it's looking like a oddity out of this, but this is just kind of filler. I wanted to just let you know Dorothy is going to happen, 3 to 5 inches of snow, but I think this is the real talking point. And snowfall, 24-hour positive snow depth change. So you're looking at probably a foot of snow in the Dakotas, and then a couple feet of snow in the Northeast if this keeps happening. So let's actually go to total positive snow depth change. This includes Dorothy. So we're probably looking at a decent amount of snow with this upcoming system. But again, Dorothy, we're looking at 3 to 5 inches, possible blizzard, rough travel day on Wednesday, and even into early Thursday. Definitely going to cause hectic travel, because this is across the central United States. Could ruin some people's holiday plans. So that is the talking points of Dorothy. I hope you stay safe. If you are traveling, be prepared for some delays, some cancellations based on the timing of the storm. And to end on a lighter note, have a great Thanksgiving weekend.